Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, let us solve this question. When dividing the polynomial 3x cube minus 10x square minus 2x plus 17 by gx, the quotient and the remainder are 3x plus 5 and 11x minus 3 respectively. We have to find out the gx. So here the dividend is 3x cube minus 10x square minus 2x plus 17 and divisor is gx, and here quotient is 3x plus 5 and remainder is 11x minus 3. So you have to find out the gx. For this question, first you have to write this form. What is that form? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So in place of dividend, you have to write this dividend. 3x cube minus 10x square minus 2x plus 17 is equal to, in place of divisor you have to write gx multiplied by quotient is, so this is quotient 3x plus 5 plus remainder is 11x minus 3. So next what you have to do, you have to write this dividend as it is 3x cube minus 10x square minus 2x plus 17. So next what you have to do, you have to bring this remainder to left hand side. So that time you have to change the sign. So this is plus 11x. So therefore you have to write here minus 11x. And this is minus 3. Therefore you have to write here plus 3 is equal to, what remains here now? Divisor and quotient. So this divisor and quotient you have to write here gx, and this is multiplied by 3x plus 5. Next step is 3x cube you have to write as it is. So x cube is not available here. So only one x cube, that's why you have to write this 3x cube as it is. Then next second term is minus 10x square. So x square it is available? No, only one x square. So that's why this minus 10x square you have to write as it is. Then next, this x is only x here. Is there any like term now? Yes, this is minus 2x and minus 11x are like term. So therefore minus 2x and minus 11x are like term. So answer is minus 2 minus 11 is minus 13x. So this minus 13x you have to write here. And this is plus 17 and plus 3 are like term. 17 plus 3. So answer is 20. So plus 20 is equal to gx into 3x plus 5. So next step, 3x cube minus 10x square minus 13x plus 20, and this 3x plus 5 you have to bring to denominator place. 3x plus 5, and what remains here? Gx. So this is the new dividend, 3x cube minus 10x square minus 13x plus 20, and divisor is 3x plus 5. So you have to divide these terms now, dividend and divisor. So here dividend is 3x cube minus 10x square minus 13x plus 20, and divisor is 3x plus 5. So what is the first step you have to do? So you have to take the leading term of the dividend and leading term of the divisor. So both these terms you have to divide. So 3x cube divided by 3x. So when you are dividing, so 3 upon 3 is, answer is 1. When you are dividing the terms, no, that time you have to subtract the degree. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So therefore you have to write x square. So this is the first term of the quotient. So this you have to write here plus 1x square. Then next you have to multiply this, x square multiplied by 3x and x square multiplied by 5. So x square multiplied by 3x and x square multiplied by 5. So 3 into 1 is 3, x square into x is x cube, and this is 5 into 1 5, and this is x square. So this 3x cube you have to write the below 3x cube because these are like term, plus 3x cube and this is 5x square. So you have to write the below minus 10x square. So where there is like terms, there only you have to write. You cannot write below minus 13x, this 5x square, because these are unlike term. So plus 5x square. So then you have to change the sign. This is plus, therefore you have to write here minus. This is plus, therefore you have to write minus. So this is plus 20. This is minus 13x. And this x square you have to write as it is. Then minus 10 and minus 5. Minus 10 and minus 5. So answer is minus 15. So minus 15. When minus minus, that time you have to add the number and you have to give the minus sign. So therefore this is minus 15, minus 10, minus 5. So next 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3. So answer is 0. 0 means no need to write anything, just you have to cancel it. So next what you have to do, you have to see the first term of this new dividend. So what is the first term here? Minus 15x square. And you have to see the degree of this. So what is the degree here? 2. And then you have to compare this degree with leading term of the divisor. What is the degree here? 1. So here degree should get less than this, but here you got the degree 2 and here degree 1. So less than this means if it is 5 degree, then you should get here below 5. Now you have to continue this process further. So again you have to repeat same, divide first, then you have to multiply. So first you have to take the leading term of this new dividend. What is the leading term? Minus 15 x square divided by, what is the leading term of the divisor? 3x. So minus 15 upon 3 is minus 5, and this is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So therefore you have to write only single x. So this is the second term of the quotient, minus 5x. Then you have to multiply this minus 5x multiplied by 3x and minus 5x multiplied by 5. So minus 5x multiplied by 3x, then minus 5x multiplied by 5. So minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. X into x is x square. When you are multiplying the terms, that time you have to add the degree. So this is degree 1 and this is 1. So that's why degree 2. Then minus 5 into 5 is minus 25. This is x. So this minus 15x square you have to write here because these are like term. And this is minus 25x. 25x. So you have to change the sign. This is minus, therefore you have to write plus. This is minus, therefore you have to write plus. This is plus 20. This x you have to write as it is. Minus 13 plus 25. Minus 13 plus 25. So answer is plus 12. Plus 12. Don't take minus 13 minus 25. So this is incorrect. You have to take minus 13 plus 25. So answer is 12x. Then next is minus 15 plus 15. So answer is 0. 0 means no need to write anything. Just you have to cancel it. Now you have to compare the first term of this new dividend and first term of the divisor. So here you have to see the degree. Here the degree is 1 and here also degree 1. So we didn't got less than this. So therefore you have to continue this process further. Again you have to repeat the same procedure here. First you have to divide, then you have to multiply. So how to divide? First you have to take the leading term of this new dividend, that is 12x. Divide by, what is the leading term of the divisor? 3x. So this both you have to divide. So 12 upon 3 is 4. And this is degree 1, this is degree 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 means no need to write any variable. Just you have to write the number 4. So this is the third term of the quotient. So this you have to write here, plus 4. Now you have to multiply this 4 multiplied by 3x and 4 multiplied by 5. So 4 multiplied by 3x and 4 multiplied by 5. 4 into 3 is 12 and this is single x. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So this 12x you have to write here, plus 12x, and this is plus 20. So you have to change the sign. This is plus, therefore you have to write here minus. This is plus, therefore you have to write minus. So plus 20 minus 20. So answer is 0. And this is plus 12 and minus 12. So answer is 0. 0 means no need to write anything. Just you have to cancel it. For such type of question, no, you should get the remainder 0 or less than degree of this. So we got the remainder as 0. Therefore here procedure stops. So here you have to find out the gx. So what is the gx? Answer is whatever quotient you got, that is the final answer. What is that? Gx. So x square minus 5x plus 4 is the answer, gx. So for watching my video.